Hello, my name is Antonio Chambers. I'm an engineering student here at the University of Michigan Dearborn and the team lead for the AI Connect-4 project. Our project was performed in our engineering senior design class, ECE 4981 and ECE 4983. Our course instructor was Dr. Paul Richardson, and our course advisor was Dr. Azim Hafiz. Our group members consisted of myself, Antonio Chambers, Andrew Franklin, Garrett Halcombe, and Mohammed Alakami. It's important to know what AI is and its impacts. AI is the theory and development of computer systems able to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. This can include visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and translation between languages. Its impacts can include automating repetitive tasks, processing vast amounts of information, as well as fostering innovation. In terms of our project, we used it to automate a board game. The overall goal of our project was to create a system in which a user could play against a basic form of AI while retaining the physical aspects of the board game. In senior design, we followed the engineering development process. This started by defining our requirements and the problems that we wanted to solve. We then transitioned into the design phase, where we created a high-level and low-level design that addressed the problems. We then built a prototype based off of our design from the previous phase, which transitioned into our system validation, where we created a test plan and ensured our prototype met all the previously made requirements. The first step of our system was the game chassis. This included the game board and its pieces. Since the system will be playing a physical game against the user, it's important it had a location to store them. This included the piece reservoir and the solenoid airlock. The solenoid airlock was used to prevent jamming and loading pieces.
That's step 4.
The next step was color detection and mapping. A Raspberry Pi camera was used to take a picture of the current state of the board, and it was processed through the color detection algorithm and mapping algorithm. This would then convert it into a 7x6 array in which the game engine could use. The game engine would then take this array and put it through the Minimax game algorithm. The Minimax game algorithm would look at this array and look X moves ahead. It would then score each possible move and choose the move that gave it the highest score. This would in turn give it a column to play. This column was finally sent to the piece placement apparatus and the stepper motor control. The stepper motor would then get fed a number of steps, which would correlate to a column, 1 through 7. It would then, the solenoid dropping mechanism would then go over the column and drop the piece and return to the hub, where it would get fed another piece. Here's a high-level design functional diagram of the process just outlined. This process would repeat until either the user or the computer would win. Overall, senior design was instrumental to student success. It allowed us to apply our knowledge that we learned throughout college to our project, gave us the opportunity to work cooperatively as a team and get valuable guidance from our course instructor and advisor, and it allowed us to experience a design process that is used in the industry and apply it to a project. Next, you'll see a video of a user playing a game of Connect-4 against our project. Thank you.